Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to insert a checkmark in Excel. So in our Microsoft Excel, in the Home tab, you want to just go ahead and find the font setting along with the size. So just click on the drop down and scroll all the way down, and you want to choose a font named Webdings. So this first one, as you can see, we have multiple, but you need to choose the first one. So make sure you choose the rows that you want to insert your checkmark for, and then just drop down Webdings like this. And now you can use a certain shortcut on your keyboard, basically a button. So the first one is going to be A, and A is going to be a checkmark, and R is going to be the opposite, which is like a error or a incorrect answer. A is going to be responsible for our checkmark, and this is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. If this helps you, press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you very soon.